So, Kristen, I think that you did a very nice job making some good emotional appeals in the speech. Right away, you've got some visualizations that you have for us. At the end of the speech, you put a guilt trip on us. How dare we buy from a puppy mill or a pet shop where they're getting them from the puppy mills? I thought the examples that you had, especially in the later parts of the speech, when you're talking about the transportation of the puppies or the puppy mills themselves, there are good images that people have, and the examples suggest some emotional issues that people, I think, are going to respond to pretty well. It seemed a little odd to me that you had the whole discussion of the puppy mills later in the process. It seemed like it would make more sense if you had it front-loaded so that we could talk about, this is the bad stuff, and then here's how. It's almost like you've got a cause-effect thing. You're going from, effect to cause, which you could do, but it didn't seem like it worked that well for me anyway, and it would have been maybe a little bit better if it had been inverted. But you did a good job citing sources pretty consistently. You mentioned the American Humane Association or Society a couple of times. There were a couple of other sources that are web-based that I think you need to develop a little bit more credibility for, but you did a good job citing them, so there's good information in the speech. Presentation issues, I thought your voice sounded pretty forceful. You are a little more script dependent than you might like to be, but you knew what you were saying for the most part. You're not getting lost, and it sounded like you were going very smoothly from one idea to the next. It does meet the time requirements. It's nicely developed, and you got a good mixture of logical appeals and emotional appeals in the presentation, so I thought that worked too. All right, thank you.